Begin by removing the access panel and insulation to expose the heating element. This gives you clear access to the wiring and element connections. Carefully disconnect the wires from the heating element terminals. Then use a water heater element wrench to loosen and remove the old element. Some water may spill during this process. Clean the area around the element opening thoroughly. Place a new gasket on the new heating element and insert it into the tank. Tighten securely with the element wrench, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the threads. Reconnect the wires to the new element terminals, ensuring all connections are secure and tight. Close the drain valve and open the cold water supply to begin refilling the tank. Inspect all connections for leaks. Once the tank is full and you've checked for leaks, turn the circuit breaker back on. Wait 1 to 2 hours for the water to heat up, then test for hot water at a faucet. Perform a final leak check after 24 hours.